In palm reading, an island is an oval or circular mark on a mount or any main line, like the heart, head, or lifeline. An island is seen as a bad sign, meaning a time of struggle or hardship, like a health issue, an accident, an injury, or money trouble, and also emotional turmoil depending on the mount, location, and line it appeared on. When I meet one of the young men who is now 22, his life isn't going very well for him. The young man lost his family when he was quite young. He was taken in by a family and has been lived with them for the past 15 years. Unfortunately, the foster family is experiencing significant difficulty in their own lives. They lost their son and are having trouble with the money, so they cannot help the young man. He left their residence and now he is living a few others on daily basis. I volunteered to help him and asked to him about several ways to reinforce his skill so he might survive and change his life. I saw a picture of his hand. On his left hand, I observed an island. On his lifeline, the island represents the current phase of his life, which is challenging and lack of direction. He cannot do anything about the problem. I noticed that the lifeline on his right hand has been broken and overlapped. The finding is confirmed a unique island at the beginning of lifeline, signifying an unidentified mystery regarding the individual birth. This line might also mean the person had health problem when they were a child. Based on what I saw his palm, my prediction is that he will learn the right skill and have a better and more enjoyable life when he will turn 20 years. I have seen many hands for the same kind of island pattern on Lifeline, which represent a terrible time in a person's life. At the end of the island, a clear, strong, and thick lifeline indicate that individual will recover from a difficult situation. Please like, comment, and subscribe this video.